Hey there, welcome to TechWise AI. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like technology is racing ahead and you're just trying to catch up? Maybe it's AI, data analysis, or even simple apps that everyone seems to understand except you. Well, what if I told you technology doesn't have to be scary or confusing? In fact, it can be the very thing that makes your life easier, faster, and even more fun. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to share why I started this channel, my dream to make tech simple and free for everyone, and what you'll get here that you won't find anywhere else. You see, I've always been fascinated by technology, but when I first started exploring AI tools and data analysis, I felt overwhelmed by all the jargon and complicated explanation. I remember thinking, is this only for engineers and data scientists? But the more I learned, the more I realized AI isn't just for tech experts, it's for everyone. Imagine being able to save hours of work each week with smart tools. Understand what AI really is without getting lost in technical terms. Use data analysis to make smarter decisions in life or business. If that sounds useful, drop a quick yes in the comments so I know you're with me. Because here's the thing. Technology isn't about making life harder, it's about making life simpler. On this channel, we're going to explore AI tools and tech concepts in a way that's easy, friendly, and practical. Whether you want to boost your productivity, learn something new, or simply keep up with the latest in AI and technology, I've got you covered. We'll look at real life examples, step by step tutorials, and honest reviews of tools that can truly make a difference in your daily life. And you know what? It's okay if you're starting from zero. Everyone begins somewhere. The important thing is that you're here, ready to learn and grow. Imagine being able to automate boring tasks, organize your work effortlessly, and stay ahead with AI trends that are shaping the future. That's what TechWise AI is all about. So, if you're ready to simplify your life with technology and unlock your full potential, make sure you subscribe right now and join this journey with me. Together, we'll make AI and tech simple, practical, and powerful for everyone. And that's why I created TechWise AI. My dream is simple: to break down complex tech concepts into simple, easy to understand videos so that technology works for you, not against you. I believe everyone deserves to benefit from AI and tech, regardless of age, skill level, or background. And I want to make these insights accessible and free for everyone. Because here's the truth: I've seen so many people hold themselves back just because they thought tech was too complicated or not for them. But I want you to know you are capable of learning this. You don't need to be a programmer or engineer to understand how AI can help you. You just need someone to explain it in a way that makes sense. My mission is to be that guide for you, to make sure you feel confident, empowered, and ready to explore all the amazing ways AI and technology can improve your life. Imagine a world where technology isn't something you fear or avoid, but something you feel excited about because it actually makes your day easier, your work faster, and your dreams closer to reality. That's the world I want to create with this channel, and I believe that together we can make it happen. Here on this channel, you'll find easy to follow AI tutorials, practical data analysis tips, tech news and updates explained simply, reviews of the best AI tools for daily life and business, Stories and examples showing how tech can truly make life better. But that's not all. You'll also find step by step guides that walk you through exactly how to use these tools, even if you never used anything like them before. We'll talk about common tech mistakes people make and how you can avoid them to save time and frustration. We'll explore real life case studies showing how people just like you have used AI and technology to improve their work, grow their businesses, and even simplify daily routines at home. You'll discover hidden features in apps and tools you already use that can unlock a whole new level of productivity and ease. And if you've ever felt intimidated by tech jargon, don't worry. Here you'll find clear explanations with relatable examples so you can finally feel confident when you hear terms like AI, machine learning, automation, or data analysis. Because at the end of the day, this channel is about making your life easier with technology. Maybe you're someone who's been afraid to ask questions about tech, worrying you look silly. But here, there are no silly questions. This is a space to explore, learn, and grow together at your own pace with no judgment. So, if you're ready to make AI and technology work for you, instead of feeling overwhelmed by it, hit that subscribe button right now and join our community. And tell me in the comments below, what's one tech concept you've always wanted to understand better? I'd love to create videos that help you in your journey. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, technology is here to simplify life. Let's explore it together. See you in the next video.